Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to automate a Discord server using AI bots in 2026. So if you want your server to run itself, like auto replies, moderation, and content posting, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, understand what you can automate. So welcome messages, moderation, role assignment, FAQs, and even content posting. Next, add a bot to your server. I mean bots like moderation bots or AI chat bots help handle messages automatically. So yeah, connect an AI chatbot system that can reply to users automatically. It can answer questions, guide users, or provide support. Now set up automated welcome messages and auto role assignment. Every new member gets greeted and assigned a role instantly. So yeah, use AI or moderation bots to remove spam, filter bad words, and warn users automatically. This keeps your server clean without effort. Next, schedule bots to post daily content like tips, updates, or announcements. This keeps your community active even when you're offline. Finally, you can connect AI tools through webhooks or integrations to make your server even smarter. This includes advanced responses and custom workflows. And that's how to automate a Discord server using AI bots in 2026. Once everything is set up, your server can basically run itself with minimal effort. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tech tutorials.